Hello, Shivan here. In this video, I'll show you how to find a greatest common divisor and least common multiple of the two numbers where the numbers are already factors as a prime factorization. Okay, so to find the greatest common divisor of two numbers here, here's steps. Steps one is find the prime factorization of numbers, but we didn't have to do it because number is already prime factored. So next step is identify the prime factors that appears in every number's prime factorization. They are called common prime factors. So here to find the GCD, greatest common divisor, we only pick common prime factor. 7 is common, 11 is common, 13 is common. So you have 7, 11, 13. Okay, I put the 7 here. I just put the times 11 times 13. So these are the only common prime factorization. So and step 3, identify the smallest exponent of each prime factors identified in steps 2 in the prime factorization. So you're going to find the smallest exponent of 7 here, 6 and 3, which smallest is 3, and 11 to the power is 4 here, 11 to the power 5 here, the smallest exponent is 4, and 13 here, and 13 to the power 4, 13 to the power 8, smallest is 13 to the power 4. So that's the GCD, but do not multiply to simplify answer. Even the steps 4 says multiply the prime factor, identify steps 2, but here it tells you do not multiply because this number is very, very, very large. So do not multiply, just keep it as it is as a greatest common divisor. For the least common multiple, again, let me show you the book portion here. So you do the same thing, find the prime factorization of each numbers. Already have a prime factorization, you don't have to worry. Here, identify each prime factors that appears in any prime factorization. Remember that you're going to find each prime factors, everything, not only common here. For the LCM, you got to find each one. So how many there? 7 is here, 11 here, 13 here, and 19. So I'm copying paste here, so the calculator can do that. So this is the one times 19 also, because 19 is also prime factor that appears in the factorization. Next step is identify the largest exponent of each. Identify step 2. So largest exponent. So largest exponent here for 7 here is 6. Smallest was obviously 3. You put 7 to the power 6 times here, and 11 to the power 5, largest is 5, and 13 to the power 8, largest power of 13 is 8, and 19 power, which is largest, is 8. So that's the LCM. So again, you write all this number as a factor form. Do not multiply because the instructions say do not multiply, simplify your answer. But if you multiply, it's too big number, so you just keep the answer like this. Okay, all right, and let me check the answer, submit. So you should be fine. All right, so you see preview, we see this big number here, but don't worry about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.